Good afternoon, wild food chefs and foragers. Today we're looking at cooking up a beautiful side dish with nettles that will have any place on a meze style dinner. It's called Nettle and Garlicy Butter Beans, and it's ready in just 5 minutes, maybe 6 or 7 if you're heading out to pick the nettles too. So first we're going to head out and pick our nettles. What we want to get is the fresh tops, the top 5 to 6 leaves. We're going to pop a pan on the hob and add a little knob of butter along with a glug of cooking oil. Cooking oil can get to a higher temperature and the butter will add loads of flavour. So we'll start with dicing up 3 cloves of garlic, peeled, chopped, and chucked into the oil. Do this for like 30 seconds just to heat up a little bit. And then we'll chuck in about 200 grams of nettle tops, or about a small carrier bag. Like spinach, it will look like loads when it goes in the pan, but it will cook down. We'll cook that for about 3 minutes and then add in the butter beans. So the butter beans will go in and they'll cook for about a further 2 minutes, taking us up to our 5-minute mark. And that's it. We remove it from the stove, add the juice of 1 lemon, along with a teaspoon of capers. We can dice them if we want. If earlier in the year we've made dandelion bud capers, perfect thing to go in. We have a little video for that if you want to check that out. Season really well with salt and pepper, and we're ready to serve. You can have it as a side, or you can have it to serve with other meats. Lamb's really good, fish is really nice, but perfect for centre of the table, sharing style food. Enjoy and happy foraging.